Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video, and these are your teasers of Sibongile and the Dlaminis for this week. On Monday the 3rd of February 2025, Sibongile's family is worried about her well-being. At the risk of bringing shame to her family, Velepi leads a protest in her honor. Wenzeni is so determined to help Sibongile that she attempts to skip school. Then on Tuesday the 4th of February, Sibongile is still traumatized after her ordeal. Vuma sees how important Gwenzo is to Sibongile. Mavis and Umfundo both enter a chakalaka cooking competition. What could go wrong? On Wednesday the 5th of February, Sibongile is inspired to reclaim her power upon her return to varsity, but much has changed that she doesn't understand. Peteni discovers Samke had ulterior motives for befriending her, while Samke has a surprise waiting at the factory reopening after party. Now guys, was Sibongile shame. We really thought the way the episodes ended last week, we thought we were to be putting that whole thing to rest, but it looks like the Sibongile and the Dlamini production crew is going to be taking us through a whirlwind of Sibongile's emotions, of how she's coping now that she's back, because realistically speaking guys, even though you are back home and all of that, but there's still the trauma of coming back to the same place or living in the same place where you were abducted. So that's going to be interesting to see. But also as well guys, Upetenia, how possible is it that she figured out Usamke's plan so quick? Because I wanted Upeteni's payback to be like, it must be such a surprise to her that she literally did not see this coming. So now at least Upeteni is a bit surprised, but I think the surprise that Usamke has for Upeteni at the reopening of the factory is bringing her mother. And I don't see Uti, like, how is that going to ruin Peteni's life, except that the children are going to want Abu and are going to be wanting to be part of their grandmother's lives. And then what? Do you understand what I'm saying? Like, I just don't feel like it's a good enough, strategy for the show to give Upeteni a taste of her own medicine. I need something more, guys. But anyway, guys, let's see what this week has in store for us. Last week was pretty like a good week of content in terms of the episodes they gave us. This week does seem a bit dry, but listen, we will see you guys. Anyway, you tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge. Guys, please do also make sure you watch the ads. That is just your way of showing support towards the channel. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.